already provided this code to you, which is Spark template.py. And this is a very, very basic thing. Whoever is struggling, non-programmer folks, I thought I'll just put some help to it. So this is the code that I provided. Let me just try run this. Go to the VS Code editor, run this. It's actually working fine. I hope it works fine. Yeah. So basically what I'm trying to do is from input file, which is this one, which if you see over here, input data set, it is clean, seller catalog.csv, right? Clean seller catalog.csv. This file is getting read, and I'm just displaying first five records. That's all what this program is doing. Now, what I was mentioning in the group is it's very, very easily you can write this code without, generate this code without even writing the code, right? So that's the beauty of this VS autocomplete option. That's all what I want to showcase to you. Let me just show you really how it can be done. So what I'm going to do is over here, copy paste components from our exercise over here, yeah, from my assignments. So it says seller catalog. I'm just going to copy paste exactly the way it is. Okay. Sorry, let me just open up the VS Code. I'm going to copy this, mention it as hash, and again column hash. Yeah, that's done. Now, cleaning step. It knows that's a cleaning step. I'm just going to write what are the cleaning steps. So trim. Yeah. So I'm just going to put a hash, trim, white space, everything. You can see over here, it has given me suggestion. I'm going to just tab, next suggestion tab, right? And then tab, that's it. So that's the, yeah, I pressed enter. That's the next suggestion given to me. Enter. Yeah. Now that's option is over. Right now, you can see over here normalized casing because I've done this in the past. That's the reason it's giving me already the suggestions. Now, normalize casing, and I'm going to copy paste all this three together. So that makes our life easier. Control C, and I'm going to say that is the next option what I wanted to do. Yeah, normalize casing, and Control A, tab, hash, again Control A, sorry, Control A, tab, hash. These are the process that I want to perform after this. Right? I press enter, it picked it up. I'm going to tab all my codes are ready, right? Tab, any more suggestions? No, I don't see any suggestions over here. Now you can see over here, remove duplicate. Yeah, you may want to copy paste it because since I've done it once, I think it's there fed in its memory and it knows what needs to be done, right? So now I'm going to tab. Anything more suggestions? No, when I put tab, nothing more. So I'm going to enter, right? Now see, convert marketplace double int. Where is the suggestion? Yeah, tab. Again, I'm pressing tab, enter. Yeah, but make sure you understand what exactly it's doing. That's all that you need to do. You don't need to really write your code. So that's also done. Fill missing quantity 0. That's the next option. Why is that suggestion not coming up? No. Okay. If that's not there, I believe double quantity is something which I've already done. I'm just going to copy this. Yeah, and then I'm going to type in, yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm just going to tab and tab, nothing more. Yeah, that's all. Write cleanse data to output CSV. That also it knows. That's what it is, right? Yeah, that's so basically what exactly it's going to do is it's going to write all my after this are the cleansing process. Once the cleansing process carried out, it's going to write it into an output.csv. Let's quickly try to okay, there is a display cleanse data also. Let's even do that. Yeah, so that we know we're all good. I'm going to clear the screen, yeah, and run this. Now, multiple ways to run it. First, I can come over here and run it. Let me just save it, Control S, yeah, saved. Run it over here, or I can just make sure present working directory PWD. I am in DSP, right? But this code is sitting inside SRC, so I may have to. So if you do this, DSP, inside DSP, I need to go to source. That's where my source code is sitting. So how do I do that? CD, SRC, tab, enter. And now ls minus lrt, if I type in, I can see all my files sitting over here, and this is the file I'm going to write. How do I execute it from here? Python space and then E, yeah, just tab. I can run it. That's one way, but let me just make the easier route. I'm just going to clear the screen and then see if all works fine or we have to sort out something. I'm going to click on run. Yeah, that's executed the first display, and now you can see since it's showing the stage and all those things, that means its Spark is getting executed. So cleanse data, it cleanse everything and it's give you the result. As simple as that, right? I'm saying this easy it is for you to assignments are that easy. I'm just going to close this now. And where exactly it is written? It is written your output file, which is out underscore new. I think it's out underscore new. Yeah, out underscore new or CSV. You can see over here. If you open this, so this is how exactly your output would look like. Right? It's not since it's a Spark. This is how your output is going to get written. Let me just see over here. It's a massive records. I think more than 5 million records or something are there available, or maybe I'm not sure, but it's pretty huge. So you can see it's split into multiple different output files are written like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 partition it created. Right? So that's how exactly it's going to your file is going to look like. If you open up any of these files, let's do the last one. See over here. This is the data that's cleansed data is being written into a CSV file. Yeah. So that's exactly what I wanted to show. Now, what some of you are asking, what exactly is this project all about? Let me just quickly show you what this project is. Yeah. So basically, what this assignment is talking about, it's just a seller recommendation. Now, what exactly that means? Think about a platform Amazon.com. I'm Shaji. I'm a seller. There is someone Ram who is another seller. Yeah. So think about there are two sellers. Now I am making a revenue of close to 1 lakh a month selling products in Amazon, whereas Ram is making close to 5 lakhs a month selling a product. And what is the magic behind Ram? Now, so this assignment, what exactly is going to do is it's going to find out which all are the maximum selling product in their entire repository, right? Amazon has the entire visibility of the entire items that has been sold. You do your logic, you do your programming, and then find out which is the top selling 10 products. Pick it up. Okay. And now take the product and then see does that top 10 product is available with Shaji? Is that top 10 product available with Ram? And then do a cross comparison. In case Shaji doesn't have that particular product, which is a top selling, do a recommendation to Shaji stating that, okay, iPhone 17 is the maximum revenue generating product, right? Go ahead and start selling it. And also, I think one additional point that he mentioned somewhere is, in case Shaji starts selling iPhone 17, from 1 lakh revenue he's making per month, he would be able to get a revenue of close to 4 lakhs, right? 3 lakhs additional revenue. That also is something which you need to showcase. That's his project all about, right? Uh, I think that's exactly what I wanted to show. Now, VS Code, I'm assuming you guys have all installed. In case not, where exactly I would get the VS Code installation? Just type in VS Code, download for Mac, for Windows, wherever. You should be able to do one click, 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 and then next option, installable. As simple as that. That's VS Code. Next one. Next one, what I wanted to show, some of you guys were asking how exactly I need to align this project, right? If you're doing it for the first time, how do I set it up? So in a VS Code environment is absolutely new to you. That's the kind of approach that I take is I create a path, right? So it looks like in my documents, I have created a bits Pilani, and then I created my code. Where's my code? Yeah, that's my code. And so if I have DSP, DPP, stat, and all those things, I'm going to create it over here one by one by one. So right now, since we have only one assignment that's been taken what we're creating, that is DSP. Double click on it, and these are my entire input file, output file, and everything created. So I'll go one folder behind. Okay. Over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Mac, this is option. Windows will have, it's much easier in Windows according to me. I'm going to click on options and right click. Sorry, yeah. And you can see over here, copy DSP as path name. Click on that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. Our intention is how exactly what I'm trying to do over here is how should I be structuring everything together, right? So inside DSP, you may want to create a source and then place all your items inside it, right? That's what you should be doing. And then you come back to the DSP, oh, sorry, my code, and click on DSP. Yeah, click on DSP. Now over here, we have already copied the path. What you do is go to terminal, clear the terminal, yeah, and CD, it's nothing but change the directory, command V and enter. Yeah, so now if I do a present working directory pwd, I see that I have reached inside the DSP. Yeah, over here what you can do is type in code and dot. What happens when you type in code and dot is your VS Code will get activated. It's going to come up and control. Yeah, I just did. See over there. So you can see over here now the DSP is the folder that's available over here, and click on it. You're all multiple files are present over here. That's the way I structure it. Yeah, so please do create the structure exactly the way you think it's the right thing, so that you have the alignment, you know how exactly where which project needs to sit, and after that, open it from here, you get it created. That's one way. Yeah. Okay, so I think I explained this template I have already provided. We already have this with the Spark session. From there, you need to start building it. Also, okay, I don't think I have provided this one in that template. The way I have created it, as simple as this. I have just open it up. Yeah, I'll show you how exactly I created this. I've gone to this file, the assignment file is given. I clicked in my ChatGPT app, this one, and then say create a Python structure for me. And I just copy pasted whatever it gave, I just copy pasted over here. As simple as that. And then you already saw it, tab, 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 tab. And then my entire project is ready for me. So it's as simple as this. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I think that's all which I want to tell you. I mean, so many of them were talking about too complicated, don't want to submit the assignments and all. So I thought I should, whatever knowledge I have, I'll just pass on to you so that it's like it becomes slightly more easier for a non-tech guy. I'm pretty much sure the technical folks is doing this day in and day out. So that hope that helps. Yeah, thank you and happy assignment.